Hey guys, Jay here with Tinnish Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to do a factory data reset on an LG G4. First, you're going to want to go into your apps drawer. Then find your settings application and go to your general tab and scroll all the way down to backup and reset. Next, you're going to want to scroll down again, go to factory data reset and reset phone. This is the warning that all the data is going to be removed. Hit delete all and confirm. And in about 5 minutes, you're going to have a brand new factory data reset LG G4. There you have it, folks, an LG G4 factory data reset. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.